Did you know that 6 years after Canada's most notorious killer was locked away, construction workers made a discovery that changed everything? In 2001, workers tearing down a bathroom wall in Paul Bernardo's old house found something hidden behind a light fixture: videotapes. The very evidence police had searched desperately for during the original investigation. These weren't just any tapes. They contained horrific footage of Bernardo and his wife, Karla Homolka, torturing and killing teenagers Kristen French and Leslie Mahaffey. The tapes had been sitting there the whole time, just inches behind drywall that investigators never removed. The discovery was devastating. Families thought they had closure. They thought the worst was over, but now they learned there was video evidence of their daughter's final moments. Even worse, the tapes revealed that Karla Homolka, who had made a deal for a lighter sentence, was far more involved than anyone knew. This case was so shocking that Canada changed its laws forever, requiring all evidence to be found before any plea deals could be made.